In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-sync videos on TikTok, and this works for both iOS and Android devices, so you can follow along on either, and it's pretty simple to do, so let's get started. So first things first, you need to open your TikTok app and be logged in, of course. When you get to your For You page, you need to press on the plus icon at the bottom middle of the screen to make a new video. When you get to your main camera screen like this, you just need to tap on the upload button at the bottom right of the screen. At this point, you just want to select your clips, and I'm just going to start off with these 2 clips, but you can add more if you want, but 2 is the minimum for this to be able to work. So now just press on the bottom right, and now you can preview your clip above, and below you can choose your music, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm not going to be changing the music, I'm just going to leave it like that. Once you have your music, you just need to tap on Adjust Clip just above the music list to the right side of the screen. Now you can see your clips playing up here, and you can probably already see the option, but if you don't, it is down here to the bottom left and says Auto Sync. Now if you don't see this, you need to update your TikTok app, and if you're on iPhone like me, make sure that you actually press on the app in the App Store to check it doesn't need updating, instead of looking to see if it says open in the search results, as it can change to update when you go that one step further. So to continue, just press on auto sync and it will say automatically syncing clips, and it will auto sync the clips for you. Now you can preview the sync clips up here, and you can add more clips after this. I'm just going to show you an example. If we add a clip by just pressing the plus icon to the right of your clips down here and choose this clip, press next. At this point you will have the option to auto sync your clips again, but it may take longer as the more clips you add, the longer it will take. Anyway, now I have 3 clips that are auto synced, and when you're happy with how everything is, press on done just above your clips in pink. Now just tap on next at the top right of the screen. At this point it may process your video, but it should be quite quick. Now you add the stickers, text and effects that you want to the clips. Now just press on next at the bottom right of the screen, and you'll be taken here where you can write your caption and post your video. So that's how you auto sync videos on TikTok. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.